And we're back. In this video I'm going to show you the basics of the lighting effects in Adobe Lightroom. Let us start with a new image. You can find that via the description link below. Just click on the edit button on the right or use E, the short key, and open the light. I've set it so that I only have the single panel mode activated. If you deactivate it, you can expand all of them, but if you activate it, you expand one and the other one will collapse automatically. I like it that way. Decide for yourself what you like. So there's this tone curve over here. We will not discuss it in this video. I'm going to make a specific video about that in the future. You will only take care of these sliders on the light, starting with exposure. You can use it to make your photos brighter or darker. And when you click on the name, you can reset it, and when you hold shift, you can add an auto exposure. When you hold alt, you get this effect. So it shows you when there are details lost or won in the photo. So whenever you start while holding alt, dragging the slider, you see these pixels. This is something that loses its details. You can use that as another guide. So the contrast, it creates the contrast between the brightest and the darkest spots in your photos or areas in your photos. You don't have to adjust it that much in this image. Let's go down to the whites and the blacks first. The whites, obviously, they adjust the whitest parts of the image. For example, here the sky and the clouds. And when you go down, in this case, you can get some details back. When you hold Alt, then you can see I would lose details around here. But I want to subtract a little bit of the whites. Especially when I use raw footage, it helps with bringing back some details. Blacks, they adjust the darkest parts of your photos. In the same way, you subtract blacks and they go darker. You'll add it, it becomes brighter. I would set it around here. That's good for my taste. The highlights and the shadows are in between the whites and blacks. So the highlights, they just white areas that aren't fully white, and the shadows, they're just dark areas that aren't fully black. And again, you can hold Alt and then adjust it. Let me show you the difference between the original. I click down here and I click again to show what we've adjusted. And you can use a general auto function up here, right next to edit. Just click on it and Lightroom will do the work for you. So the difference between my adjustments and the auto adjustments are not that huge, except for the whites, so auto doesn't subtract much whites. I did. It's a matter of taste, so there is no right or wrong here. When you want to return after clicking on auto to your own edits and adjustments, just press Ctrl Z, like I did here. And this is everything I wanted to show you on the lighting in this video. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.